Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So just as a fair warning, you guys may absolutely hate this video. This is not a video on any specific painting technique. This is a video of me just letting loose. I mixed about 100 techniques in this in this painting, and yes, it's kind of a hot mess. It's muddy, but I had fun with it. I'm not done. I will be adding more to it, and I learned a lot during the experience. It changed all over the place. So here we go. Bear with me. I started out with a 12 by 12 burlap canvas panel, and everything, all the mixed media pieces I'm using are from Little Birdie. This is a mixed media paste, which is modeling paste and gesso. So I started with that to create some texture on the background. Now, initially when I started this, I actually was planning on not having anything to do with acrylic pouring. So I was going to make a textured background, and then I was going to use some sprays and paints. Here I'm adding some stone texture paste. But yeah, I had a totally different picture in mind, and then I changed my mind mid-process and kind of regretted that. But it's always a learning experience. And I'd never used this sandstone paste before, so that was pretty awesome. And then I gave it just a coat of the white gesso, just to give it a nice dip to prep it for painting and have it be all ready. All right. So while I'm showing you that, and of course I let it dry in between all these layers, here's all this cool texture. But I wanted to talk to you guys one more time about Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform that offers thousands of classes for creative people such as you and me on art, illustration, design, photography, etc. Lately, I've been feeling super duper unmotivated and stressed just due to everything going on recently. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to look on Skillshare and see if there's something I can learn to get me unstuck. I took actually a few classes, one called Productivity Masterclass, Principles and Tools to Boost Your Productivity by Ali Abdal. Doesn't that sound awesome? And then Creativity Unleashed, Discover, Hone, and Share Your Voice Online by Nathaniel Drew, which I really loved. Like, that one was super inspirational for me and really helped give me ideas. And then I also took some mixed media classes just for inspiration. So these inspired me to put out this video of just playing around without any inhibitions or worrying whether anyone will like it or like my video, what the comments will say, anything like that. So here we are. I'm showing you guys my creative process of trying new things without stressing about the outcome. And so just, you can see I'm using the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paints. But I just wanted to tell you one more thing about Skillshare is the yearly subscription's less than $10 a month. And for you guys, Skillshare is giving you 2 months free if you want to try it out. I definitely recommend it. So I decided to go with acrylic pouring on this piece to see what would happen with the acrylic pour on top of the texture. And I hated it. I was so sad. I was like, what did I do? I ruined my painting. So I just went with it from there. I just started trying out different techniques. You can see I tried a swipe with the paper towel. Then I went ahead and took a crumpled plastic bag and tried kind of doing the balloon smash. I liked it a little bit more, but of course at this point it's getting muddy. Then I tried to go ahead and blow some flowers in there. That really did not work out. So then I was like, all right, let's go ahead and add a chain and see if we can get a cool string pull on this. And that I actually was liking how that was looking. So I kind of just went with that. So yes, this has a very muddy background, but whatever, it's earthy. It's okay. And at this point, I'm like, 5 or 6 different acrylic pour techniques in. So I like how the chain pull looked. I added just some lines with a stick there with just white. And then at this point, I got the idea of it's already a textured canvas. Normally, you do not want to dry it quickly because it will split the paint. You'll get crazing. But at this point, I thought that would actually add to the painting. So if you can see the white lines that I drew in there with a stick, those split and it actually looked awesome. So this was just another trial to see what would happen if you intentionally dry it fast and split it. So I don't think I'm done with this painting. I think I'm going to go in there with just, after it's dry, just regular flowers painted on top. But I did have fun relaxing with it and not stressing and just playing to just see what would happen without the goal of creating something amazing and beautiful and making the best video ever. And so I just really hope that you guys enjoy this crazy process. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you all next time. Yes, that was my cat.